Hey guys, another day, another Poshmark Q&A. Don't mind the glue on my eyelash. It was falling off, so I had to put it on. Speaking of eyelashes, I purchased these Blinkify lashes. I had do I know how to talk? I had seen these all over Instagram and I wanted to give them a shot because they're very different than regular lashes. First off, you can wear them for like a week at a time, I think. They're supposed to stay on that long and they go underneath your lashes instead of on top. I was like, what? Whoa. I watched all these tutorials on Instagram. I'm like, all right, I can do this. I wear regular like strip lashes on the reg. These are like cut up strip lashes, you know, so they're like in sections. So I was like, I can do this. This is my 4th day having them and I cannot figure them out. I've watched tutorial after tutorial. I DM them on Instagram. They're like, you know, you gotta wait till the glue's tacky. I'm like, I know, I wear false lashes. I know you gotta wait till the glue's tacky. I cannot put these on. I don't know. I got the classics. Someone said because the curl is too big, that's why it might be difficult. I think it might be the band because the band is kind of thick. I'm wearing these lashes. These are the Kiss number 11 lashes, my favorite lashes of all time. I cut up these lashes and tried to put them on like underneath, like the way you're supposed to put these on, and it was so much easier. So I'm thinking that the band is just a little bit too thick. I actually ordered another. These are pricey too. These are friggin', it was like 25 bucks for 3 pairs of lashes when my Kiss lashes are $8.88 for 5 pairs. And they're amazing. I've been wearing these lashes for years. I can get probably like 10 uses out of each pair, you know, as long as I clean them. I'm very meticulous about cleaning my eyelashes after I use them. Like I said, I ordered another set that has a thinner band, so we'll see. I really want to love these because I want to be able to wear lashes for, you know, although the more that I think about it, it's like, what makes you be able to wear them? I mean, I got the glue from them, so I could just use this glue with my regular lashes and use the same technique. I think I might try that, actually. I might try wearing these lashes with that technique. All right, you guys don't care. Anyway, I was just very disappointed because everyone on Instagram made it look so easy. Like, oh yeah, so easy. No one was like, I struggled. You know, I feel like, am I the only person in the world that doesn't know how to put these friggin' lashes on? Like, anyway. Poshmark Q&A, now that I've rambled. Hi Vanessa, I have another question. Lately I've had a couple customers that wanted to split one really large bundle into 2 separate ones. Shipping was actually cheaper. My question is, can we have 2 bundles for the same person open at the same time, or do they have to pay for one and then we can create the second one? Thanks for all your knowledge and sharing. So, yes, I mean, you can't, okay, so you can't have one order with 2 bundles. You can do 2 orders with 2 bundles for the same person. Does that make sense? You can't have someone purchase like 10 things on one order and then split that into like a box of 5 and a box of 5. The way you would get around that is just split the bundle. You know, you would take 5 things out of a bundle, sell that bundle to them, and then put the other 5 things into another bundle and sell that bundle. So yes, you can have 2 bundles open at the same time under 2 different orders, but you can't do, I feel like I'm confusing myself, but you can't do one order with 2 bundles. Does that make sense? Did I just confuse everyone? Because I'm just like, did I say it right? I don't know. Okay, next question. Do you know where you can buy mystery boxes for branded clothing in Canada or places to outsource for cheap in Canada? Oh, I don't know. I don't know if places like Jomar and B&G and Honcho Wholesale, I don't know if they ship to Canada. You'd think I'm an affiliate, I'm a Jomar affiliate, I would know everything, right? Next question, I think this might be the last question because I do want to talk about this. Okay, so I saw a video recently from my girl Amber. If you don't know who Amber is, I'll link her channel down below. She is Amber Resells. She's amazing. She always makes these videos that are just so great, so like thought out. Like she's just so smart, and every time I watch her videos, I'm just like, like she seriously is so smart, and like the experiments that she does on Poshmark, like it's amazing. I love this girl. I'll link her channel down below. She made a video recently talking about how she thought that Poshmark was going to do away with sharing. You wouldn't have to share your closet anymore. And as soon as I saw the title of the video, I was like, what? Are you serious? Holy shit balls. Oh my gosh, my battery's gonna die. Hold on, let me just switch it so we don't get cut off here. All right, hold please. In her video, she talked about how she went to search for something and she noticed that the search results came up, they were defaulted to relevance instead of just shared. So she thought that Poshmark was changing things. And I wanted to talk about that because this person, Michelle, left me a comment. She said, "Are you making a video on the new Posh changes? Seems like sharing items doesn't do much anymore with relevance and style tags being added. Every time I shop, I see listing way more often from sellers who haven't shared their items in months, and sharing my closet doesn't create traffic anymore. My closet is a ghost town after sharing. So are sales. I have 2,000 listings." Woo, girl, that's a lot. You have 2,000 active listings? Holy red. That's a lot of active listings. Sales are down 49% for me, or is it the panty? LOL. And some are slow down to blame. Okay, so yeah, like I said, Amber, thought that Poshmark was changing things because I guess a couple of other people had contacted her and said, "Hey, it's the same for me." I checked on my app like all throughout the day, I saw her video, I think it was in the morning, or no, maybe it was at night, and I checked that night, and then I checked all throughout the next day, and mine, my search on Poshmark was defaulted to just shared. So it never switched for me, but I guess the following day it switched back to her. It went from relevance to just shared. So I don't know what's going on. She thinks maybe that they did like a slow rollout or like a test. They tested it on a couple of users just to see, and then they switched things back. I hope that's the case. I hope, they were testing it out and then they're going to roll it out to everyone, because oh my gosh, if you don't have to share on Poshmark anymore, that's going to be amazing. Honestly, I don't think that they're going to change that, because then, essentially they're changing the whole, or not the whole, but like one of the main purposes of their app. Like Poshmark is a social app, so, sharing is a social aspect of it. So they'd essentially be changing a huge aspect of their app. So I don't know. I hope they get rid of it, because I don't like sharing. I don't like sharing, although sharing has gotten so much easier because of the Poshmark sharing tool. I'll link that down below. Rachel, you're awesome if you're watching this video. She created a tool for sharing, and it's amazing. She does weekly contests too, by the way. So there's like a leaderboard, and if you place, I think, like first through third on the leaderboard, you get a gift card, and she does like a random raffle for like either the top 10 or the rest of the people on the leaderboard. I've placed on the leaderboard in 2 weeks. I got Lululemon gift cards. Yeah, it's awesome. Again, I'll link Poshmark sharing tool down below. I have a total of 820 active listings, and it takes me under 5 minutes to share my closet. It's crazy. But anyway, although it is fast, if I could cut out sharing altogether, that would be amazing. So I don't know what's going on. I'll link Amber's video down below, and you can check it out and see what she has to say about it. But as of right now, I think everything is back to normal. So again, I don't know if it was a glitch, if it was just like a test rollout. I don't know what was going on. My fingers crossed that, it is a thing and they're gonna get rid of sharing, because that'd be great. But I'm honestly not gonna hold my breath, so we'll see. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit, and I also get a $10 credit, so thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.